And this app will give me access to Android Auto, CarPlay, and screencasting options. And since I have an Android Auto capable phone, I'll go ahead and select Android Auto. And you can connect either wireless or with a USB cable. So both Android Auto and CarPlay work pretty similar to each other. They allow you to navigate, stream music, make phone calls, and give you limited access to a bunch of other apps as well.
Movie theaters that are close by.
So this Android Auto feature seems to work pretty well. Here's another theme I think looks really cool because it has Google Maps integrated into the home screen.
Local movie theaters.
Head south on Williams Street toward 3rd Street, then turn right onto 3rd Street.
And if I want to make the navigation map bigger, all I have to do is touch the navigation icon and that'll make it go. And here's a look at the backup camera. When I put my truck in reverse, it automatically switches to the reverse camera. And as you can see here, the lines move with the wheels turning back and forth as well. And if your vehicle previously had a USB port that was tied in with your stock car stereo, that can also be used with the new Android car stereo. And I'll demonstrate that here by plugging in this flash drive that has some music and movie files on it. And as you can see here, they can now be played back on the new car stereo. And with this music app, it's also capable of displaying album art and track info. That is, if it exists in the music data.